Raise the stakes. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase you might have come across: raise the stakes. Stick around as we break down its meaning, usage, and origin, making it simple and clear for learners at all levels. The phrase, raise the stakes, is often used in scenarios where someone wants to increase the risk, challenge, or potential reward in a situation. Imagine you're in a game where the prize gets bigger, but so does the risk of losing. That's exactly what raising the stakes is all about. In real life, this can apply to business, personal decisions, or even emotional situations. This expression originates from the world of gambling, particularly in poker, where players can increase the amount of money they're betting on a hand. Raising the stakes in poker means you're upping the ante, betting more, and consequently, increasing the potential win or loss. This concept was later adopted in everyday language to describe any situation where someone increases their investment or risk. Understanding how to use this phrase can add depth to your conversation. For example, in business, the company decided to raise the stakes by investing in a new, innovative product line. In personal growth, he really raised the stakes on his personal development by moving abroad for the job. In storytelling or movies, the plot really raised the stakes when the main character was faced with a life-changing decision. Remember, using this phrase implies that there's something more to win or lose, adding tension and excitement to the narrative or discussion. Raise the stakes isn't just a phrase. It's a concept that you'll find in literature, cinema, and even in motivational speeches. It represents a turning point, a moment where decisions become more significant and outcomes more impactful. Understanding this phrase enriches your comprehension of English, especially in contexts where risk and reward are central themes. We hope this video helped you understand what it means to raise the stakes in English. Remember, it's all about increasing risk and potential reward, a concept that's as thrilling in language as it is in life. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language journey in our next video.